Today, we will learn how to describe someone's physical features in Malay language. To describe these features, we will use the third-person singular pronoun, which is dia. You can watch the video explaining about dia in detail in the link above. Please be reminded that all the phrases or sentences here are colloquial sample as how the natives use them daily. Let's go straight to the lesson. First, dia berkulit cerah. Dia berkulit cerah. He or she is fair. Dia berkulit sawo matang. Dia berkulit sawo matang. He or she is tanned. Dia berkulit gelap. Dia berkulit gelap. He or she is dark. Matanya berwarna biru. Matanya biru. You can omit the word berwarna. It means his or her eyes are blue. Although the translation of mata in this sentence is eyes, however, originally mata is a singular word. Mata means an eye. Mata in plural is mata-mata, which means eyes. Colloquially, we hardly use mata-mata to refer to both eyes of a person. We just use the singular word instead of the plural to refer to both eyes. If we want to be more specific, we will say the right eye, mata kanan, or the left eye, mata kiri. And this is the same to other body parts which comes in pairs. Matanya berwarna coklat or matanya coklat. His or her eyes are brown. Keningnya tebal. Keningnya tebal. His or her eyebrows are thick. The suffix nya in this sentence refer to the third-person singular pronoun dia. Keningnya nipis. Keningnya nipis. Or keningnya tipis. Keningnya tipis. His or her eyebrows are thin. Nipis or tipis means thin. However, do not use this to describe how thin a person is. There are other words to describe a person to be slim or skinny, and we will get to them shortly. Bulu matanya lentik. Bulu matanya lentik. His or her eyebrows are curled. Rambutnya panjang. Rambutnya panjang. His or her hair is long. Rambutnya pendek. Rambutnya pendek. His or her hair is short. Rambutnya lurus. Rambutnya lurus. His or her hair is straight. Rambutnya kerinting. Rambutnya kerinting. His or her hair is curly. Although the word keriting is spelled without n, which is correct by the dictionary, however, colloquially, some people will pronounce the word like kerinting, like myself, with the letter n added instead of keriting. Dia berambut perang. Dia berambut perang. He or she is blonde. A bit explanation of the word perang. By right, the actual meaning of perang is the brown color, but if it refers to the hair, it will mean blonde-haired person. Dia berambut hitam. Dia berambut hitam. He or she has black hair. Rambut dia coklat. Rambut dia coklat. He is brunette or she is brunette. Dia botak. Dia botak. He or she is bald. Before we continue with the next word, I really need your help to boost this channel by subscribing, click like, comment, and share this video so that you can help others to learn Malay through this channel. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. Hidungnya tinggi. Hidungnya tinggi. His or her nose is high. Orangnya ada misai. Orangnya ada misai. He has mustache. More about orangnya. This is very colloquial on how to describe a person, just saying the word orangnya. Although in this case, the person spoken is a man with a mustache, and it is only natural to translate this sentence into English as he, but literally orangnya means the person being discussed. Orangnya ada janggut. Orangnya ada janggut. He has beard. Lehernya jenjang. Lehernya jenjang. His or her neck is long. More about the word jenjang. The word, although spelled with the letter E in the first syllable, as per the dictionary, but colloquially most of the time we pronounce it with the letter I, as in jinjang instead of jenjang. Orangnya tinggi. Orangnya tinggi. He or she is tall. Orangnya rendah. Orangnya rendah. He or she is short. Orangnya kurus. Orangnya kurus. He or she is slim or thin. Orangnya montel. Orangnya montel. He or she is chubby. Orangnya gemuk. Orangnya gemuk. He or she is fat. Orangnya cantik. Orangnya cantik. She is pretty. We normally use the word cantik for physical features referring to a female. Orangnya kacak. Orangnya kacak. He is handsome. Colloquially, kacak, handsome. Orangnya comel. Orangnya comel. He or she is cute. Dia pakai pendakap gigi. Dia pakai pendakap gigi. He or she wears braces. Giginya jongang. Giginya jongang. He or she has buck teeth. Dia ada lesung pipit. Dia ada lesung pipit. He or she has dimples. Dagunya terbelah. Dagunya terbelah. He or she has cleft chin. Mukanya berjerawat. Mukanya berjerawat. He or she has pimples. Wajahnya berkedut. Wajahnya berkedut. He or she has wrinkles. Dia berjalan dengan tongkat. Dia berjalan dengan tongkat. He or she walks with a cane. If you want to know more about the verb berjalan, you may refer to the link above. Dia tua. Dia tua. He or she is old. Dia muda. Dia muda. He or she is young. Dia pakai cermin mata. Dia pakai cermin mata. He or she wears glasses. Well, let's see a sample dialogue, which is a conversation between two friends, Ali and John. If you have watched the video of the previous lesson, you would have known these two persons, Ali and John, when they first met. Ali's text is in black and John's in light brown. They are talking about someone called Abu. John, kau kenal Abu tak? Macam pernah dengar nama dia. Alah, takkan tak ingat. Dah banyak kali kita jumpa. Macam mana rupa dia? Orangnya kurus tinggi. Kepala dia botak. Oh, dia pakai cermin mata tak? Pakai? Orangnya muda ke tua? Agak tua lah. Ya, aku ingat dia. Okay, let's translate to English. John, do you know Abu? I have heard that name before. Come on, can't you remember? We have met him many times. How does he look like? He is slim, tall, and bald. Oh, does he wear spectacles? He wears one. Is he old or young? He's quite old. Yes, I remember him. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see today or learned something new, make sure you like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Sampai jumpa lagi.